What do you got there?
Well, we got the master cylinder for it, you know. Had to get it a little bit sooner since, you know, Cody lost brakes while he was driving. I swear it was his driving, you know. But we're gonna put it on here today with every one of the kids here in the shop. And luckily this thing here,
Easy
pretty
fix.
easy, yeah.
Easy fix.
Nice and shiny.
It'll all slowly get that way. He
had actually painted the other one.
Well, Pop had all of this done at one point. He's the one that come through and painted all of it years ago, but
We need to take the valve covers off, polish them too. Oh, I got the other side of the truck polished up.
oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Like I said, it's not perfect. It's still gonna need more eventually.
Oh yeah. Well, as long as
Better than it was.
as long as it's set in the weather though.
And then I cleaned the windows off. Oh, wrong side. I cleaned the windows, took the tent off the little windows that were killing. I'm gonna take the tent off the back so that way we can re-tint it. But cause from sitting in the sun down here, it's done got all bubbled up. So we want to get that stuff off there. Get some new tint on it. Get it looking good. At least get that old bubble tint up, or bubbled up tint off. Cause that'll look better, or no tint would look better than that.
Yeah. No tent looks better than bad tent.
Yeah. Could have went and got the impact.
I was about to say this guy and his wrenches.
Well, I could have went and got the impact, but I just didn't feel like going in the house. Still ain't got my doors on yet, so all the tools ain't out here.
Hey, you gotta work on it old school.
Well, at least I'm not working on it in the yard or in the rain.
That's true. Or on top of a rock. That's the one I hate the most.
Although that is where we're gonna bleed the brakes, because I don't want brake fluid on them.
What is that?
Also did some cleaning on the inside too.
Oh, the cab?
Yeah, need to vacuum the floor and just wipe it down some more. There's a lot of dust in there.
So what's the next thing we're gonna do? Probably the fuel tank, huh? Get the bed straightened up and get a fuel tank in it?
Yep, gotta get a bed liner down.
Yeah.
That'll be the next big project. Yeah, I can't really see that one from that way. I might let you do it.
All right. Reckon we'll get these lines put on here and we'll pick them back up.
Yep.
Got the brakes buttoned up. We're gonna take the old girl on a test ride. We're gonna bring y'all with us.
Well, we got our first put in. We got brakes. Still gotta bleed them, but figure might as well ride it down. Check out the sunset right here.
Yeah, it's stoppable though.
Yeah. So I'll finish bleeding the brakes, you know, a little bit later, but.
Racing against the sun. Old girl's got one headlight right now.
Yeah, but we get to go check out a Bono sunset, so we're pretty lucky for that.
That's right. Can't beat that. Can't ever beat that
We'll
feeling.
get on a little bit straighter road too.
Yeah. Also, we got this guy in front of us.
Yeah.
Can't hammer it too hard, though.
I tell you what, though, you can't beat it. The older truck took 3 wrenches to do that. Can't beat it. Newer vehicle, it would have took the whole tool set.
You kept it simple back in them days. And all the tools you need for this thing will fit on the side tray under the hood.
Yeah. We're about to take up everybody's shit.
Yeah, right there. this one over here.
You ready? Got that one on video, didn't we? Alright, we're gonna get one more. You ready? Woo! Yes, sir! Hell yeah!
Reckon we what? Pull this thing back up and then what?
Well, get her put back up for the night, but like I said, I'm gonna be ordering that temperature sensor and relay kits. That way we can get the fan hooked up to come on at a certain temperature and whatnot. Because right now it don't have no type of fan or, well, it's got the electric fan on there, but it's not wired in. But she stays cool as long as you keep it moving.
But then we get some fuel cell stuff going on, and
Oh yeah, we got bed line in the back for the fuel cell.
yeah. What? Reckon we get the old girl put up? Probably done made some neighbors mad, but we'll pick you guys up whenever we start doing the fuel cell and all. Till then, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. It all helps. Appreciate you guys.